Hey guys, today we talk about how can you find your fan title on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on mine down here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here on your profile. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on fan features, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just waiting to open with you like this. Then here you will find your fan title here. I have nothing yet, but if you have it here, you will find it in this list on your fan title app on your novel channel. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like